Hi, welcome to the monthly Medicus video blog. My name is Kevin Michaels, and today we're going to be covering a topic that I wrote about last month, Backdoor Roth IRA contributions. So Backdoor Roth IRA contributions are a phenomenal way to get money into Roth IRAs if you're currently over the income limits to contribute directly to the Roth. So right now in 2018, if you file your taxes married filing jointly, the income limit is set at $199,000. If you file your taxes single, that income limit is set at $120,000. And what we found is that this creates a problem for those over the income limits. Essentially, they're forced to save all their money in pre-tax accounts, which is great today because they're getting a tax deduction on all those contributions. But as they work and save and accumulate tons of money in pre-tax retirement accounts, it really drives up their tax rate in retirement when every dollar that they withdraw is taxable at ordinary income rates. And the problem really manifests itself when they turn age 70 and they have to do their required minimum distributions and actually take out substantially more than they need to from their accounts. The other thing to keep in mind is that in the future, tax rates very well could be higher than they are today. We don't know, that's not a sure thing, but tax rates are historically low today. And so we find it's very beneficial that clients have money saved in pre-tax accounts, they have money saved in Roth accounts, and that they also have money saved in, even a little bit of money saved in taxable brokerage accounts. And so one way to do this, at least one way to get money in the Roth accounts, is through Backdoor Roth IRA contributions, if you are over the income limits to contribute directly to the Roth. So what we'll do, we'll just break down the Backdoor Roth into 3 easy steps, and then we'll talk very briefly about 2 pitfalls or 2 roadblocks that you need to look out for if you're considering the strategy. So the 3 simple steps. 1, you make your non-deductible contribution to a traditional IRA. 2, you convert that non-deductible contribution to a Roth IRA. And because it was non-deductible, because you didn't get a tax deduction for the contribution, the conversion is tax-free. And because there are no income limits on who can make Roth conversions, anybody can do it. The 3rd step is to simply track and record this transaction on your taxes using Form 8606. So it's simple as that. Once you get the money in the Roth, you can invest it. It grows tax deferred. You can take it out tax-free if it's a qualified withdrawal, and you're set to go. 2 pitfalls or roadblocks to look out for. 1 is the IRA aggregation rule. And basically, without going into detail, what this does or what this says is if you have a substantial amount of money saved in pre-tax IRAs, so a traditional IRA or simple IRA or SEP IRA, the Backdoor Roth IRA strategy is not going to work for you because a good portion of that conversion is going to be taxable. I'll avoid going into the details of this rule. It's in the article I wrote last month, and you can click on this link to read it. The second thing you'll want to look out for is the step transaction doctrine. And what this says, this is just a tax rule that says if you do a series of related and legal transactions to get around a certain tax law, that those transactions will be looked at as one transaction and it'll be illegal. So in the case of Backdoor Roth IRA contributions, it would be that doing the non-deductible contribution and doing the conversion was just a way to get around those income limits, and it could end up becoming taxable. Now, according to my knowledge and my research, the step transaction doctrine has never been applied to Backdoor Roth IRAs. It's a very common and very widely used strategy, but that doesn't mean that it couldn't be applied in the future. Bottom line is, if you're over the income limits to contribute directly to a Roth and you need to diversify your tax savings, Backdoor Roth IRA strategies could be a great, Backdoor Roth IRA contributions could be a great strategy. So click on the link if you want to read the article and learn more about the benefits of doing a Backdoor Roth. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to email or call, and we'll catch you next time.